DoorDash is still growing on YouTube. That's unbelievable. Yes, the unbelievable growth of DoorDash on YouTube. A dash of faith. You see, this young lady is so consistent on YouTube. And that's unbelievable. This young lady is able to showcase the amount he's getting from YouTube. And that's unbelievable. Not all YouTubers are able to do that. Yes, but she is able to showcase the amount she gets. I am sure just to inspire someone like you and myself, and that's so unbelievable. This young lady is giving content of quality, and that's unbelievable. This young lady is so always into what she does. She's not giving up, and that's so unbelievable. So what are you also doing? Do you find yourself in any of these qualities as a YouTuber? Now, this is a young lady who is not even having fancy thumbnails, fancy editing in the video. This young lady is actually shooting videos in her car. Will you believe that? Yes, I am seeing a lot of videos after DoorDash success on YouTube. A lot of videos coming out. A lot of people are also tuning into that, shooting videos in their car. Yes, that's actually working, and it can also work for you. But that doesn't actually mean that if you don't have a car, you should go for a loan and buy a car. In Nigeria, the system is so hard. In Ghana, it's so hard. In African countries, oh yes. And so please find your own place. In fact, a place that can get you your serene environment to be able to come out with your video, a video of value. What is DoorDash doing in a video? DoorDash is showing her money in the video. DoorDash is laughing. DoorDash is actually being herself. DoorDash is actually doing what you may even not think of doing. Oh yes, whatever that goes on in the life of DoorDash, DoorDash is actually and excitingly showing it on YouTube. So you can also do same. So you can also grow fast on YouTube. Yes, you are good at one or two things. So do not say that you are not good at anything. You are good at one or two things. So be able to actually capitalize on that. Are you a farmer? Capitalize on the farming that you are doing. Are you a trader? Are you a singer? Are you an artist? Are you a dancer? Are you a teacher? Hey, come on. What is dragging you back from actually copying the success of DoorDash on YouTube? You see, be able to actually start something today, and if you're able to copy the success story of DoorDash, you're also going to find yourself being successful. Now let's talk about the money DoorDash is getting from YouTube. $60,000 per month, $40,000 per month, $20,000. I remember one of her videos, it was like $600 within a single day. Hey, come on. $600. Are you in Nigeria or Ghana? Uganda? Where do you find yourself? Just convert it into your currency. If you're not in the United States of America, convert $600 in your currency, and someone is getting it within just one day. So what are you waiting for? Just be able to monetize your talent, what you can do. All right? Yes, kickstart. Create your YouTube channel. Create your account. Use your phone. Use the device that you have to get what you want to get. You see, he's not the first African young lady to be on YouTube to enjoy and benefit from YouTube. But hey, he's also one of the first African YouTubers to come in with a flair, with a blend, with a style. You understand? Yes. And now she's being talked about almost everywhere. DoorDash is actually making it big time on YouTube. And that is what makes her growth and success on YouTube unbelievable. Oh yes, be inspired and motivated to start something today. Enough of the complaints. YouTube is not favoring any other body. It's only favoring those who kickstart, those who start to do something. Do not be discouraged. Actually, we're still in the 30 days daily upload challenge, and today is the 4th day. Oh yes, and this is the 4th video I'm uploading today. You can also join. The videos I started publishing from the 1st of November is actually getting a lot of views. You can also kickstart even if you're on the 4th. So that means you're starting your first day today. And after the first month, after the 30 days, as I said earlier from the onset, that's in the first video, we're actually going to have testimonies. Yes, the subscribers are increasing, the views are increasing, and the watch hours are also increasing. DoorDash is an inspiration to you as an African YouTuber, or as a YouTuber wherever you find yourself. To you, and to me and to all of us. Let us make good use of our time and the devices that we have to get what we want. Thank you very much. But if there's something drawing you back from starting, let me know in the comment section and I will attend to you on that. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to share this video to inspire someone. Thank you very much. This is Smart and this is Smart Tutorials YouTube channel. Thank you and God bless you.